welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I created this sleek ponytail. And guys, don't worry, don't fret about my eye makeup. I will have it linked in the iCards or down below if I already have it posted. If not, it will be immediately after this video, so no worry, yeah. Anyways, yes guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I created this sleek low ponytail. If you guys would like to see how I got this done, please do keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and click that red subscription button and become a part of the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for clicking onto this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Okay guys, first things first is I'm gonna use my spray bottle. It's just a regular spray bottle with conditioner and water. I'm going to go ahead and let me dim my light a little. Nope, I look wash out. I'm gonna use my, I don't know why I look like this. Anyways, I'm gonna use my spray bottle just to spritz the perimeter of my head, just to get these ends or edges a bit saturated. Ooh. So I'm saturating the perimeter of my hair or head. Once I have it all saturated, I'm just gonna work the product through. Now I'm gonna go in with my brush and just start brushing my little edges here, trying to get them as smooth as possible. Okay, now that I have it all brushed, I'm gonna go ahead and take my little scrunchie here and just put my hair in a little loose bun to the back of my head. I'm just gonna wrap it twice. And that's it. Now I'm gonna go in with my Eco Style, if it will focus, my Eco Style Organ Oil, and I'm going to start placing the gel around the, sorry guys, may I try to look for my mirror and it fell. So yeah, okay, I think I can see now. Right, if I'm looking down, it's because my mirror is there. So now I'm just brushing my hair back a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go back in with my brush and smooth the product through. Have all the hair smooth. Now I'm going to take my scrunchie off and go ahead and secure my ponytail with probably about 3 to 4 wraps of this thing. This is my first one. This is my second one. This is my third. I think I'm going to do about 4. And this is my 4th. Now I'm just gonna brush everything one more time just to make sure everything is flat. Just gonna take a little more gel in the palm of my hand, rub it together, and place it over top of the hair. So this is how my ponytail is looking so far. Now it's time to lay my little edges. I cannot use this Eco Styler gel, it will not hold my edges, so I'm going to go ahead and use some of my Got To Be glue. It works wonders for my edges, so I'm going to take a small amount, this amount, and spread it across my edges. Ooh, too much gone one place. I need a little bit more. That should be about it. Now I'm gonna go in with my toothbrush and swoop them edges, girl. So, one. Okay, and do the same thing to the top. Go in with the brush and swoop. And I'm gonna, you guys get the picture. I don't think I need to say it again and again and again. Good, when my makeup is coming off, I'll just have to go replace it when I tie my hair up. Okay guys, I think that's as laid as my edges will be. My little baby here. Anyways, I'm just gonna smooth it out again with the brush just one last time. And I'm gonna go ahead and tie my little scarf over my hair, over my edges mostly. Let it set for 5 minutes. Okay, let it set for 5 minutes and be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have put some lashes on. This eye is so bright. Not lashes, I have I'm filming 2 videos, that's why I say that. Anyways, I have put my lip gloss on and finished up my face, and this is how my ponytail is looking. If you guys would like to see how I created this rainbow look, it'll be linked down below if I've already posted. If not, it will be immediately after this video. If you guys would like to see me do more hair videos, please suggest what you'd like to see down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.